who is struggling to find a place to stay.
More than 3 years after the COVID pandemic started, the World Health Organization says COVID no longer qualifies as a global emergency, and so the threat was downgraded. More than 3,800 North Carolinians died from the virus. WRAL investigative data journalist Ali Ingersoll looks in depth at the current data leading to the WHO's decision.
The UN Health Agency officials said that even though the emergency phase has ended, the pandemic is not finished. The most recent state data shows about 2,200 positive COVID cases in the state last week. That's a number that would have startled us back in March of 2020. But now it's among one of the lowest numbers we've had in a single week since the beginning of the pandemic. That peak right there, we're way lower than that. It's about 1% of where we are with new cases since we were at that peak. A lot has changed since those early days and since we had those highest numbers. Having a vaccine is one of those. About 2 out of every 3 North Carolinians received at least 1 shot during the first round, state health data shows. And more than half have had at least 1 booster, but only a quarter of people are fully inoculated with the latest boosters that we have available right now. We saw long lines for those shots and also an image imprinted in a lot of people's minds. These lines for testing. Gone are those days, though, with all of the home testing we have available. So state health officials have turned to wastewater monitoring, keeping an eye on virus particles found in wastewater, which is also trending downward. 7.6 million particles per person were found last week, a drop from the week before, again signaling a downward trend. Some areas, though, still seeing surges. Northampton High School posted this on Facebook saying that they're closed for a second day due to cleaning the school because they have a high number of positive COVID cases. For WRAL News, I'm Ali Ingersoll.
Our county by county coverage.